We have a saying at our local office that we do not want satisfied customers. We want exceptionally satisfied customers so that if there's any issue, you're still satisfied. So we're shooting for 6 stars. By putting those systems in place and training our employees to make sure that our installers are trained in the techniques that the manufacturer put together to make sure that these products go together correctly so you don't have problems after the fact, to make sure that our designers and our advisors up front who are coming to your home are knowledgeable about each product so that not so they can sell you a product, so they can find the product that's going to fit your wants and your needs and is best for your particular situation, because all bathrooms may look the same, but they're all different. With the products we've put together, we're able to do so let's say a shower area in a day or two, which is quite a bit faster and more efficient than the industry standard, if there is one, of traditional bath remodeling. So to be able to walk into someone's house at 9 o'clock in the morning and when at 4 o'clock in the afternoon or noon the next day, invite the customer into the bathroom and see the look on their face of how happy they are, that it might be they can finally take a shower, or it might be they've been living with this particular situation for years and I can finally feel comfortable in the morning when I wake up and get in here. It makes me feel good because I know the service we're giving customers is valuable. Our customers love it, and seeing happy people makes me happy. It's one of the reasons I still like installing. Going out and putting a job in and seeing the look on their face when we're done. We get hugs from customers when we're finished with a project, and that makes you feel good when you come home.